storms, I think we're going to keep them for the inland areas, and the coast should stay dry, and then we should be all right after that. Temperatures right now, we're looking at mainly the mid to upper 70s for tonight's lows. Again, a warm, sticky night out there. Vero Beach tomorrow, 90 degrees. Chance of rain for you will be mainly from the morning to about midday, and then after that, everything will push westward here in the afternoon. Now we're looking at the chance for rain here, and we're seeing 9 o'clock pretty much gone, maybe a few specks here or there. And then we see in the morning hours, this is early morning, so really the overnight, the chance of rain will increase as we push more moisture in along the coast here. And then in the morning, the chance of rain along the coast. A lot of that does try to push inland after noontime. Notice lake and westward after that. And then again, Sunday, but less of them on Sunday. So rain chances drop on Sunday and stay about that through the week. Our tropics very quiet right now, and even stretching way back, we were looking at that tropical wave, not really anything right now. So our tropics will remain quiet here. You see the crawl at the bottom of your screen there, significant weather advisory. That's just that storm that was just outside of Palm Beach County, far western Palm Beach County there, and heading away from us. Beach forecast, not bad, but there'll be storms out there. And with an onshore wind, the rip current threat will increase next week. Highs will stay in the upper 80s to near 90.